Fabulous tip for organisation comes from a talk by Marcey Rader, who talks about getting your inbox down to zero. And the technique is known as the Ohio method, only handle it once. And what she says is, set yourself a time to deal with your inbox and only handle it once. So if something needs a reply, reply to it immediately. If you need to unsubscribe, unsubscribe and get it done. This has other benefits as well. Not only do you get a little dopamine hit of achievement every time you get a little task done, but that also motivates you to do more. But the other thing it might also help you with is that maybe you don't need those constant notifications, because if you are going to set yourself that time to deal with it anyway, do you always need to be told there is something to be dealt with?